Finished.
It's made it. Is it hard?
Very hard. It wasn't. No, it wasn't that hard actually. Well, it was. I mean, I earned it, but I reckon I could have gone further next time maybe.
Those sweat patches. Whoa.
Right. Should we go and have a look?
Do you want a drink or something?
Yeah, might as well do. Nobody comes out top when I do.
Got blueberries in there, they bounce about, take a bit of pedalling there.
Oh right, okay.
Faster, faster.
Clever.
That's it. So what did you do? Just press some buttons.
Because at the end of the day, it might be, there'll be a meet-up in here, and like, we can't guarantee.
Well, it's only 4 batteries.
Yeah.
So the idea is you don't need to have any knowledge before building.
Is it just making it?
You can.
Yeah.
You don't.
So what is it, software and then what?
And that's the end of the game.
Cool.
Four's not a bad score.
No, no.